Mastering likelihood in questions and responses. Master the modal magic. Hello, language learners. Today we're delving deeper into the world of modal verbs. We're going to focus on expressing likelihood. More specifically, we'll explore how to use modal verbs to express likelihood in questions and responses. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently ask and answer questions about the likelihood of events. Let's first establish a basic understanding of what likelihood means. In simple terms, it refers to the chance or probability of something happening. When you use modal verbs to express likelihood, you're estimating how probable or likely it is that a certain event will occur. So, which modal verbs are commonly used to express likelihood? The modal verbs most often used for this purpose are will, might, may, could, and should. You'll notice that each one expresses a different degree of probability. For instance, if we say, I will go to the party, it suggests a high degree of certainty or likelihood. On the other hand, I might go to the party indicates less certainty. Now let's turn to our main topic. Using these modal verbs in questions. When we frame questions about likelihood, we're essentially asking about the chance or probability of something occurring. Let's see how we use different modal verbs in questions. Will you be coming to the party? Might it rain today? Could she win the competition? Should we expect any delays? Each of these questions is asking about the probability of an event happening. How you respond to these questions also gives an indication of likelihood. Let's see some responses using our modal verbs. Yes. I will. No. I won't. It might. It might not. She could. She couldn't. We should. We shouldn't. Again, each response indicates a different level of likelihood. The best way to understand and remember how to use these modal verbs is to practice. Try making up your own questions about the likelihood of different events. Then, consider different ways to respond to these questions, using the modal verbs we've discussed. And there you have it. You've now learned how to ask about and express likelihood using modal verbs. Keep practicing, and soon enough, it will become second nature to you. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, language learning is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Happy learning!